He try to tax the girl, he watch me turn around and give up. That bitch hard, she pretty and she militant. She pretty millie, you know she pretty militant. Could've been a model, but she always getting in the
Alright, so today, guys, I'm back with another video. And the video that we're going to be watching today is DDG's. He's just doing too much. Hold on. But this is DDG. I don't even know how to say it. But this is DDG telling his sister to have a photo shoot with her flip phone he just got her. I watched the other videos, but I haven't watched this one yet. So I cannot wait to... He's just so petty. I just can't wait to see what he got to say this time. But let's get into the video.
Shit, no cap. These folks got goddamn hit his shit, no cap.
Say, this is what I get for being a bad sister. Say it right now.
This is what I get to being a bad sister.
This is what I get for picking a boy over my big brother.
This is what I get for picking a boy for my brother.
Over my big brother.
Over my big brother.
Sorry, and it never happened again.
I'm sorry, and it will never happen again.
Oh, shoot.
I love you, big brother.
I love you, big brother.
And I hate James.
Why he make her say that?
And I hate James.
She knows she still love him. She is. Sorry, y'all. Where is he at?
This nigga just throwing broccoli inside this blender, nigga.
If he making a smoothie, then what the fuck you expect?
Recording her. But today I'm about to check in with TT today. I haven't really saw TT. I seen her last night. I got my hair braided or whatever, but I didn't really get to talk to her, so I didn't record it. So I had to hurry up and shoot that music video. I literally did that music video last night that y'all watched on my music channel. If you didn't watch it, I did a freestyle to Space Cadet, and then I dropped it on my music channel. I think I'm gonna do like a freestyle every Sunday, just to get my, you know what I'm saying, stay active on that channel. You feel me? With the music shit.
Boy,
right now,
be quiet.
I'm posting all these vlogs. I gotta
get into the video. Like, I'm tired of you talking.
Of course. So I'm just doing a bunch of freestyles or other nigga shit, and just get, you know, just get that channel active. Because right now I looked at my analytics and it's mostly girls on there, for the simple fact that I dropped most of my rap songs on World Star, and then I dropped Arguments, which is a big ass song.
I love that song. No cap. I love that song. I don't care. That song goes crazy.
Way more females that's on this channel. This channel, the male to female ratio is like, it's like 75-25 or some shit like that. And on the music channel, it's like 55-45 or some shit like that. So it's way more girls over there, and they ain't trying to hear no nigga talk about getting sucked up. He don't feel like fucking after he nutted. Yeah, they don't want to hear all that shit. They
boy, calm down. Right.
Realistically. So,
tone it down. What is you talking about?
Dropping freestyles just to get more fans.
You know, kids watch our channel, you know. I'm not a kid.
And then when I drop that hit,
but kids watch your channel.
Everybody gonna be with it. Everybody gonna like it. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. But I'm gonna check in with TT today, man, and I'm gonna really see what vibes she on. I kind of want to do something funny today, and I want to take pictures of her on her flip phone and make her post it on Instagram. I don't think that's me.
He is the most pettiest person.
You're gonna be funny as hell, lady. I'm gonna tell DD, let's go take some pictures. I'm gonna have her. Cause look, man, I posted some pictures of myself on Instagram. I just want her to humble herself and realize how much of a blessing.
I would have deleted the whole damn Instagram account. Don't even want it no more.
Use it. Look, I posted this picture on my Instagram. That's back when I was about her age. I was about 13, 14 in this thing. Look at that phone right there. That's what I was rocking with back in the day. You feel me? She gonna have to get that experience, so I want her to post a picture just like this. You think this shit'd be funny?
No.
But have her post a picture just like this on her Instagram. This shit about to be hilarious though. Smash the like button, y'all.
I'm just ready for him to go. Oh, here we are. Oh, her outfit
Like
cute. Period.
How's it been with your new phone? Cool.
Why are you embarrassing her? Get her off the camera.
Press the buttons a bunch of times to get the letter. Huh?
I had one before.
You had a flip phone before?
Not a flip phone, but a minute phone. So.
But you had no flip phone.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing. It's just
I was looking at your Instagram today, TT. And you look nice. Nice Instagram. The picture's super clear. But I was thinking maybe you should post a picture with your new phone. Just to show people. I just want to see what it come out as. So I wanted to come over here and do a little small photo shoot with the flip phone and see how good you look.
No, see, he gotta go.
You see my last picture on Instagram? Let me show you.
He has to go. He's bullying. That's harassment.
I want you to take a picture like this. Let's go in the bathroom.
You want me to take a picture just like that?
Her outfit really cute though. It's a little bodysuit.
Where you going?
Period.
I'm serious, TT. You gotta post it too. Alright?
Yo, I'm just hungry.
It's not on yet. Did you learn your lesson? Why do you think you grown?
She didn't even do
Right,
nothing.
quit looking in the mirror like you grown.
He just...
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. You supposed to, it's funny to you that you gotta post this picture?
Hell yeah, it's funny.
The only reason I'm laughing is because I'm thinking about the picture you took.
Yeah, it better be why. Go ahead. Do your thing. Can't wait to see this picture. I want it to look just like mine, so put your arm up.
You're supposed to push the okay, right?
Yeah, put your arm up just like that.
He doing extra.
How am I supposed to smile? Am I supposed to smile?
No, you're supposed to look serious. Just like that.
First of all, how the hell he gonna tell her how to take a picture?
I can't.
Press the OK button and take the picture. Turn your hand a little bit up this way.
He doing too much. I'm like, nigga, I already took one picture for you.
Move your hand up this way.
That is out of
Take
line.
it just like that.
For really?
Serious.
I can't.
Look serious.
Oh shit, they're my chicken nuggets. I'll be right back.
Let me take a picture of you. Let's go in the hallway and take one. Ready? Look serious, G. Let me get a close up. Stop smiling.
I'm sorry.
It's not funny. Stop smiling before I take this phone too.
I'm back. Really?
Now I want
No.
you to post every
Alright, let me
single
take pictures on
picture
your phone.
Instagram.
How am I supposed to post it?
just log into Instagram on my phone. And I want you to post every single picture. This is a part of your punishment. Since you think everything's funny.
I don't think it's funny. I'm in an emotional phase right now, so I'm gonna think it's funny.
Okay, well, I'm gonna record you too then. Say, this is what I get for being a bad sister. Say it right now.
This is what I get to being a bad sister.
This is what I get for picking
I
a
already
boy
seen this
over
in the
my
intro.
big
Why would you put
brother.
something in the intro?
This is what I get for picking a boy for my brother.
Over my big brother.
Over my big brother.
I'm sorry, and it'll never happen again.
You gonna get it, DDG. You gonna get your match one day.
Say, I love you, big brother Moo,
I love you, big brother Moo.
and I hate James. Say it.
Yeah, she looks
Say
she
it.
like, nigga.
And I hate James.
Hate is a strong word. Why would you say that? Shit, I'm like, and I love James. I would have said that shit.
Come on, we're gonna go post it. So I sent it to myself. Little sis trap phone, that's their contact. We got this picture right here.
That camera quality ain't that bad, but like, that's just doing too much.
Picture right here.
That camera quality is okay to take
gonna post
regular
out
pictures,
there?
but not in the mirror.
Yay! Say yay! Say yay!
Why he make her say stuff?
I appreciate you not
And I don't appreciate the mama just sitting there let him torture her like that.
sibling fight right now.
She don't deserve that much of a punishment. Could have just gave her the phone, let her do what she do,
I think she learned her
and
lesson,
like, that's all.
Alright. TT just logged out, posted it right here.
And I commented under there too.
Yeah, give TT a follow.
And I told him he was out of line, and I tagged him about 5 times.
Got this right here. Give her a follow. I like this picture. Let's get this picture to 100,000 likes, y'all. Just to teach TT a lesson that it's okay to have a flip phone. It's okay to be humble. You don't have to have the newest iPhone to be the greatest. You don't have to have all the newest technology. You can humble yourself, get you a nice track phone, flip phone, minute phone, and still take pretty pictures. It's a nice picture if you ask me. These are very nice pictures.
You need to shut up. She ain't gonna tell her not to smile or nothing.
Hope you learn your...
Okay, I don't even want to watch this no more. You know, DG, he was out of line. That's all I gotta say. But y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.